think you want to go that way. But that's not the way I want you to go. Sorry. You hear that? You hear that? All of these little guys I just took down. I'm working my way up. I do some mediums. I'm the small medium guy tree company. I only do small mediums. Peace. It did what I said to do. The boss won't be happy because it didn't fall that way, but at least it's down. Right? I'm a tree slayer. Again, you got small trees, medium trees, you give me a call. I got great prices. Chino's Tree Service. The Hudson Valley's small and medium tree service. Guy, I wanted to land that way. I made a nice notch. I go to make my back cut, and she leans the wrong way. Now I'm faced with, do I get in there with the chainsaw and risk it flipping back? Do I wail at it with the axe so I can hear it creak before it goes? But man, from here it looks like, yeah, it definitely wants to go left. But before I made the notch and before it made that lean, before she started talking to me, my best guess was gonna go right. And I guess wrong, because it's got that little S shape to it. I thought the top was counterbalanced better to the right. Sometimes you just gotta stop and look at it. I mean, look at it. Look at it. Sometimes you just gotta stop and just look at it. And I'm just looking at it. Beautiful. She's gotta go because I'm this tree slayer. Chino's Tree Service. 3 weeks of experience. Okay, friends. There she goes. Look at that. I had a good deal of holding wood on there, and I said, would you just look at that? And then I gave it the back cut, and there she goes. If anyone asks how Chino's doing, tell them I'm a fine feller. She needs a good sharpening. She needs a good sharpening. She needs a good sharpening, but I think I can get one more out of it. Stand by. You missed it. I missed it. There she is. Okay, friends, she got a little bit of holding wood. I got the notch cut out of her. We're gonna go take her down. Hi, you son of a bastard. want from today's experience. Please, don't be shy. Give us a call. I don't know why. Look at her. And you see her? She got hung up on that big guy. I do my best. I'm scared of a barber chair situation, but I'm gonna give her a couple. Oh, I'm gonna go give her a couple of wedges. See how she likes that there. Oh, she's freaking. I might have sissied out too soon with the saw. She's creaking on me now. Oh, there she goes. Okay, friends. She knows treats her. She knows tree service. Oh, all right, friends. I hope you like that one there. Sometimes you just gotta sit back and you gotta look at it. I'm just gonna sit here and look at it. That one was for my homies. All right. Peace out. Cut. Looked like I sissied out when I got here, but I was scared of a barber chair situation where the tree splits on you vertically. But a beautiful oak, man, beautiful. Absolutely freaking beautiful.
Nothing bad happens when Uncle Chris is around.